Pnawn pawb, good afternoon everyone. Mae'n braf eto yn Siobhan yma. It's lovely again in North Wales, or Anglesey even. Heddiw dwi'n eisio anodising part. So today I want to anodise these parts that I've made. My process, well, really, it's a bit of a big job. Mae rhaid I chi glanhau y part go iawn, so it's really important that you clean the parts thoroughly. Mae yna 5 step I wneud anodising. I think there's 5 steps, is it? So ar ôl glanhau'r part, nesa dwi wedi rhoi o yn y tub yma i bod yn siŵr mae pawb yn fynd mewn yn taclus. So once I've cleaned the parts, I put them in the tub there to make sure that they go everywhere. They fit in there sort of tidy. Because you can't have any parts touching really. Then nesa dwi'n tynnu'r part allan y tub yma ac rhoi y part yn caustic soda 15-20 minutes. So put them in caustic soda then for 15 to 20 minutes. Tynnu'r part allan y soda, glanhau eto gyda dŵr, so just give it a spray with some water to get this caustic off. Ac nesa rhoi o yn y nitric acid yma I glanhau o eto, achos mae caustic soda rhoi like a residue. So once you've put it in the caustic soda, you put it in the nitric acid, because the caustic puts like a residue, a grey residue on the part. Nesa tynnu o allan y nitric acid, glanhau o eto gyda dŵr, ag rhoi o mewn sulfuric acid yma gyda trydan ag aer. So once you've taken out the nitric acid, spray it again with water, then put it in the sulfuric acid bath with the electricity and the air going to circulate it. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n eisio bod yn y sulfuric acid am awr a hanner, dwi'n meddwl. 15 volts ac maximum 4.5 amps DC. So I think it needs to go in for an hour and a half, 15 volts max, 4.5 amps max. Yeah, ar ôl mae'n bod yn y sulfuric acid, glanhau part eto gyda dŵr a rhoi o yn y dau yma. Fe gen I oren achos mae telescope fi wedi de ac oren, so dwi'n eisio sort of match o fo. So I want to after you've put it in the sulfuric acid, clean it again with water, then put it in the dye. I've got orange dye here to match my telescope, which is black and orange. Mae rhaid o fo yn bod 25-ish degrees, so you want this about 25 degrees. Dwi'n meddwl mae aquarium heater yma wedi marw, I think my aquarium heater's died. Yeah, I think it might have. I roll my board on a door. Nessa between Roya and door door berwi. So dim berwi, but Nessa berwi. So after we've put it in the dye, it then goes in nearly boiling water and Hannah hour for half an hour or so. Like that and that just seals the part. So doing with this Sharad a good anodising, a talk a good anodising. Let's see how we get on, I suppose. My process long. So doing dim and film your poor dim. So I'm not going to film everything because it's just such a long process. Computer, set a 15-minute timer.
15 minutes, starting now.
My part and board on a caustic soda I'm indig minute, so it's going to go in there for 15 minutes. My hon and chemicals bad, I suppose, for a drug, so forget any mask. Yeah. Doing barod now, really. Turning apart allan caustic and and nitric acid. So I'm ready now to take the parts out of the caustic. See how grey they've gone. Nessa, the royal and the nitric acid, my process quick on it. my rider part dim yn toucho y led I mewn yr bath. Dyna ni. Iawn, dyna ni. So there we are. I think hour and a half should do. Iawn, mae'r amser rhoi fyny rwan, so the time's up now. Nesaf, eisiau tynnu part allan. I just want to pull the part out. A broiler. Oh shit. Mae'n edrych yn da, dwi'n meddwl they look alright. Computer, set a 20-minute timer.
20 minutes, starting now. By the way, if you need more time, just say snooze when your timer is ringing and I'll add another 5 minutes.
Na, diolch. No thanks. Yeah, dwi'n hapus gyda hwn. Looks good. Dwi wedi tynnu part allan o dau I checio lliw. Dwi'n hapus iawn gyda hwn. Let's keep pulling the part out just to check the colour, just to agitate it a bit, and I'm really happy with that. Ar ôl 20 munud mae'r part yn edrych fel hon. So after 20 minutes that's what the parts look like. Nesa dwi'n rhoi o mewn dŵr so yeah, next I'll just put them in this water here that's nearly boiling. Un part dim yn gweithio. Huh, that's a shame. Dwi'n meddwl mae mae'n dim yn electric connection trydan dim yn brilliant on hwn. So I reckon it probably just wasn't connected properly electrically. Computer, set a 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
Right, half an hour. Iawn, mae part wedi goffen now. So the parts are finished. And gyda contact gyda'r air, mae'n tynnu lliw ac fynd, I don't know, dipyn bach. So when they get in contact with the air, when they're drying out, they seem to be going like black. Anyway, yeah. Mae rhaid I fi wneud hon eto fory. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n dim yn cael trydan fynd trwy. So I'll do that tomorrow, that one again. I don't think it's that electric going through it. Ag hon. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n eisiau trio polish parts. So I think I might try and polish them. Oh, boy. Yeah, we'll see what happens.